Hello, people of the worldwide interweb. Today on the desk we have a clock made by the Shanghai Clock Company, and their symbol is a nice little 555. So I've been messing around with it for the past couple of days and just checking it out, and it just runs intermittently. It'll run for 5-10 minutes and then just stop out of the blue. The oil has congealed itself into this thick green mass, almost closer to a thick grease. The movement has to come 100% apart, every part cleaned up and put back together with some fresh oil. Let's get into it. Every single piece of the movement has been removed and is now being washed in a homemade solution. Now that the parts have all been washed and dried properly, it's time for the reassembly. And if you need to see this more in depth, please refer to the long version of this same video. To restore the wooden case, we're using a product called Howard's Restore a Finish, along with some 4-0 steel wool. That will be followed up by some paste wax with the 4-0 steel wool again, and then a quick wipe down with a nice soft cloth once it's all dried. And here we have a restored Shanghai Clock Company clock. And I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. I'm gonna have to basically put it up against the quartz or the old Sessions clock over there for a couple of days and see if it needs to be regulated. It seems to be running a little bit fast, which is no surprise. But yeah, we will keep an eye on it and see how it goes. With that being said, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Have a great day.